So people are wondering how you get the sound you get out of the Vox Pathfinder.
Well, I know you're probably wondering that because it is one of the smallest and cheapest Vox amps out there, but I do like that it's small. It's really portable or whatever. But most of the sound does kind of come from this little treble booster I have. It's a Catalan brand, and it's the Galileo one. Just look how fancy it looks, though.
Galileo,
I love the little design. As in
Galileo.
As in Bohemian Rhapsody, yeah.
Yeah.
So that gives it most of the sound, but also just having this guitar is gonna obviously help a lot. But also the settings down here, I use these are both on, so that would be here. I have the neck one and the middle one on, and the bridge one is off. Have these knobs all the way up. And as far as the amp, those are my settings right there. Volume and gain have to be pretty high if you want to get that sound. And treble and bass you can kind of mess around with, and I think it'll still sound cool.
Do you want to show them anything like how it sounds when you put the amp or the whatever that thing's pedal booster on?
That's what you do with the. I'll show you it with and without the pedal booster because it's a big difference. Let me turn it down now. It's really loud.
Okay, so this is without or with?